In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Alibaba account 2024. Delete Alibaba account mobile. If you've decided to leave Alibaba, I'll show you the exact path on a phone, and the steps are the same whether you're using the mobile website or the app. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in and that you have access to the email address or mobile number on your account because a verification code is required. It's also a good idea to finish any pending orders or disputes and save any invoices you might need for your records since account removal is permanent. Start by going to alibaba.com and logging in. Once you're in, tap your profile icon. On most screens, it's in the bottom right or the top right. From there, open account settings. This is where all your personal security and login details live. In account settings, choose account security. This section controls passwords, two-step verification, and closure options. Scroll down until you see close account or deactivate account. Depending on your region and account type, you may see one or both. Close account begins the process to permanently delete your profile and associated data after a short processing period. Deactivate account typically turns off access without fully erasing data. For a full removal, follow the close account option if it's available. When prompted, select a reason for leaving. You can pick the option that best matches your situation. This doesn't affect the outcome, but it helps Alibaba improve the service. If there's a text box, you can keep it brief. Next, complete identity verification. Choose to receive a code by email or SMS, then check your inbox or messages. Codes expire quickly, so enter it right away. If the code doesn't arrive, use the resend option and confirm that your email and phone details are up to date. Avoid sharing the code with anyone. It's only to verify you. After the code is accepted, tap Confirm or Submit. You may see a final summary reminding you that once the request is processed, the deletion is permanent. Approve this and your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. You might receive a confirmation message as well. That's it. You've started the removal process from your mobile device. If the menus look slightly different on your screen, don't worry, the wording is the same. Profile, account settings, account security, then close account. Thanks for watching and take a moment to double check any critical documents before the deletion finishes.